Agentforce AI is a brand new software that's shaking up the world of digital marketing. If you're wondering whether it's worth your time and investment, I've got 7 crucial things you need to know. Stick around till the end, because I'll share how you can try it completely free, plus give you some key insights from my years of experience with digital marketing tools. You won't want to miss this. Let's start with the basics. Agentforce AI is an all-in-one platform designed to automate your digital marketing. Whether you're building email campaigns, creating landing pages, or running ads, this software brings AI-powered tools that simplify everything. So if you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, or marketer, this could change the way you manage your online presence. One of the key features I love about Agentforce AI is its intuitive user interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. You can create highly personalized campaigns with just a few clicks. The drag and drop features are simple but powerful, making it easy for anyone to use, even if you're a beginner in digital marketing. Another standout is the AI-driven content creation. This software can generate engaging copy for your ads, emails, and even social media posts. It's not just about saving time, it's about creating high-converting content that speaks directly to your audience. And with the ability to fine-tune content based on AI recommendations, you'll be able to enhance your messaging strategy without a ton of guesswork. Automation is a huge benefit of Agentforce AI. From automating follow-ups to scheduling your posts and sending personalized email sequences, this software can save you hours each week. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with major email marketing platforms, CRMs, and other tools you may already be using, which means no more switching between different software systems. This level of automation helps businesses scale up faster without compromising quality. When it comes to analytics, Agentforce AI doesn't disappoint. The platform provides detailed reports that allow you to track the performance of your campaigns, emails, and ads. You'll get actionable insights to optimize your strategy and improve ROI. The AI does a great job of identifying trends and offering suggestions, so even if you're not an expert in data analysis, you can still use these insights to make informed decisions. Now let's talk about pricing. Agentforce AI is incredibly competitive in terms of value. They offer a free trial, which is perfect for those who want to test the software before committing. I always recommend testing it out for yourself and seeing how it fits your business needs. And if you decide to continue, their pricing plans are scalable, so you're only paying for what you need. The customer support team is another reason I'd recommend Agentforce AI. With a dedicated support team available through chat and email, you'll always have someone to help you if you get stuck. Plus, their knowledge base and tutorials are extremely helpful for new users, making it easy to get up to speed quickly. Lastly, one of the best things about Agentforce AI is its potential for growth. As AI technology continues to evolve, you're getting a tool that's not only powerful today, but also continuously improving. They're always adding new features and improving the AI capabilities, which means you're investing in a software that's future-proof. To wrap up, Agentforce AI is an incredible tool for anyone looking to step up their digital marketing game. Whether you're an entrepreneur or a seasoned marketer, it offers powerful features that can save you time, increase your efficiency, and help you scale your business. And the best part? You can try it completely free through the first link below. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and I'm confident in recommending Agentforce AI for anyone looking to automate and improve their marketing. Don't forget to check out my list of recommended AI software in the description. These are tools I trust and use in my own business, and I know they can help you grow yours. So click that link, give Agentforce AI a try, and let me know what you think in the comments.